Trimming your hair at home is a good way to save money and maintain your hairstyle between haircuts. To get started, wash your hair and gently towel dry it so that it's still a little damp. Keep a spray bottle on hand to moisten your hair again if it starts to dry out. Cover your shoulders with a towel or hairdresser's cape to keep the trimmed hair off of your skin and clothes. Use a brush or a wide-tooth comb to remove any tangles. Then comb your hair straight back. Next, use the pointed end of a rat tail comb or the corner of a rectangular comb to part your hair from one ear to the other. Be sure to go across the top of your head. Comb the section you just made forward and secure it with a clip or a hair elastic. Next, create a second section that goes around the back of your head from the bottom of one ear to the other. Secure that section with a clip or elastic as well. Leave the hair underneath that section loose at the back of your neck. Now it's time to start trimming. Grab a small section of the loose hair from one side of your scalp and pinch it between the index and middle fingers on your non-dominant hand. Slide your fingers down the length of the hair until the amount you want to trim off is visible below your fingers. For instance, if you want to take off 2 to 3 inches, 5.1 to 7.6 centimeters, that's how much hair should be sticking out at the end of the section you pinched. Comb the section of hair straight away to remove any remaining tangles. Then pinch the hair and slide your fingers down again, making sure your fingers are parallel with the floor. Use sharp, clean hair scissors to trim off the ends that are sticking out from between your fingers. Then, pinch off another section of hair next to the one you just cut, along with the small amount of the first section. Repeat the process using the first cut as a guide so that the second and subsequent cuts are even. Once you've completed the bottom section of your hair, look for any uneven ends and carefully trim them so that your hair is the same length all the way around. Once you're satisfied, unclip the hair that you sectioned off behind your head and repeat the same steps. Then do the same with the front section of your hair. If you notice any uneven areas after your hair dries out completely, carefully touch them up with your scissors.